this video is for you. I've been so fed up with having hay fever and I don't understand why.
So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
Now folks, here are the top 10 worst cities to live in the United States if you have seasonal allergies. This is according to the 2024 Allergy Capitals report that is published annually by the Asthma and Allergy Foundation of America. This is a report that takes into account three main metrics. The first is local pollen counts. The second is over-the-counter allergy medication use. And the third is the availability of board-certified allergists to help treat seasonal allergies. There are actually 100 cities listed in this report, so if you're interested to see where your city is in the rankings, let me know in the comments section. And without further ado, let's begin. At number 10, we have Fayetteville, Arkansas. Number 9 is Raleigh, North Carolina.
This is your reminder to take allergy meds today. Yes, that is all pollen.
At number 8, we have Des Moines, Iowa.
Babe, cover your mouth.
At number 7 is Richmond, Virginia. Number 6 is Tulsa, Oklahoma. Number 5 is Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Number 4 is Dallas, Texas.
Yeah.
Number 3 is Greenville, South Carolina. At number 2, we have Virginia Beach, Virginia. And at number 1 for the second year in a row is Wichita, Kansas.
Did he just pick a cabbage bush? I feel like we in an RPG. Bro, pick the massive cabbage, you know, just pop that into my inventory. I'm gonna sneeze. I'm simply allergic to existing. If you see me crying, mind your business. I wonder what kind of GMOs you had to feed this thing for it to grow this big.
Do it. Do the thing. No, I'm not gonna do the thing. Oh, come on. Do it for the gram. It was a skit almost 3 years ago. Yeah, but it's iconic, you know, the my god, these allergies. I'm gonna get so much views if you do it again. Please, I'll give you $1 million. I won't do it for $1 billion. You do Gcash?
Looks like we got a sneezing spell going on.
You know?
Jeez!
Is that a sneeze?
I'm gonna.
Oh my god, I was sleeping for like 7 days. I can't get even. I can't get her out the park. No. I can't even get out of the parking lot. I can't even talk. This is how I crashed this cat the last time. So I'm gonna sit my ass. Bless you. Thank you. Bless me.
If you're from the UK and you currently have hay fever and you've never had it before in your life, this video is for you. I've been so fed up with having hay fever and I don't understand why. So I did a bit of research. Me and my friends have been saying it's definitely pollution, it's definitely pollution. So I looked it up. And pollutants like nitrogen oxide can burst open the pollen and release the highly allergenic proteins. So the pollution is causing the hay fever proteins to be more invasive to humans. So the pollution is affecting the pollen and then affecting us. So it actually is pollution. So we need to start telling the UK government to fix our air because we're literally getting sick seasonally and just calling it hay fever when it's not. It's the pollution in the air. So who wants to start the petition with me?
First, I want to say thank you to all of the Neese tribe. Subscribers and Patreon members, we could not do this without you. You guys keep us lifted up and supported.
Bless you. Bless you. Okay.